Brighter eyes. Here are 3 inexpensive, easy ways to brighten your eyes. The eyes are often called the window to the soul. And the reason is when you meet someone, the first thing they do, they look into your eyes and we're judged by that. Are you awake? Are you energetic? Are you rested? Are you healthy? All those things are determined from that window to the soul. And these 3 easy, inexpensive ways to brighten them should help you. Stay tuned at the end. I'm going to give you a bonus tip that you can do at home, a solution you can not only drink, but also apply for brighter under eyes and to help with puffy, baggy under eyes. Tip number 1, avoid dry air. Dry air can make the whites of the eyes red and inflamed. Air at high altitudes, in desert climates, and in airplanes are especially dry and irritative to the eyes. Wind and smoke can also make the eyes red and irritated, as can hair dryers and car heaters that blow directly into the eye. We've all likely experienced that. When your eyes don't have enough moisture, they can become irritated, scratchy, and red. And avoiding the dry air isn't always possible, so I recommend carrying eye drops that are going to help you hydrate the eyes when you know you'll be in those kind of situations. Lubricating drops with no preservatives are the key. A lot of people don't realize there's preservatives in these and they can be irritating to the eye. People are using them to help the eye and it's going south. It's getting worse. So pick ones that are individually packaged and don't have those preservatives. There are many, they're a little more expensive. I put the ones I like in the links below. As a pure whitening drop, I like LUMIFY. It looks like this, and you can use it once or twice a day. Again, I'll put that in the links below. If you want your lid elevated, I recommend something like Upneeq that can help elevate the eye and whiten it a little bit. So there are options here for those depending on what exactly you're trying to get out of them. Number 2 is your intake of omega fatty acids. This is one of the simplest solutions of all time and it's effective. According to a review article of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid supplements, it showed they are indeed effective for the treatment of dry eye syndrome. Not only dry eye, but some people say for their nails, skin, and overall well-being. To keep your eyes well hydrated and healthy, try to increase your intake of these fatty acids. Good sources, you may ask, what are you looking for? Salmon, mackerel, sardines, flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and many people aren't into those foods, or some people don't like to take walnuts. You can take them through supplements. That's the good news. What do I like? I love krill oil. Not only is there also astaxanthin, but it's also sustainably sourced, and krill are these small shrimp-like creatures that are found in the Antarctic, and the water there is very, very clean and they rarely go rancid. Sometimes you'll hear fish oil can be rancid, so I like krill oil. Number 3, better than Botox, revision line relaxer. Not only are there peptides that stop the acetylcholine release like what Botox does, this is topically placed. This is an easy applicator that it's kind of uniquely shaped, but it also saves product and increases the spreadability to save you money. There's also in there vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, and we all love Arnica montana. That all helps with collagen building and making the skin integrity better. And your number 4 bonus tip, we all love green tea. And now I'm talking green tea bags. If your eyes are puffy and swollen or irritated, placing green tea bags on your lids may help reduce the swelling and ease discomfort. According to a 2011 study, the polyphenol that's particularly potent in green tea, known as EGCG, has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant effects and helps the cells on the cornea as well. The best way to use green tea on your eyes is to first steep the tea bags in some water, then let the tea bags cool completely. Even better, you can put them in the fridge or freezer for about 15 minutes. Once they are cool, lie down, close your eyes, place them on your eyelids for 10 minutes, and enjoy the great results. I hope that helps keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.